From within your Canvas course, click the Commons icon on the left side global navigation bar. In the Commons search box at the top of the page, enter Health Science to locate the library tutorial for Health Science resource. Click on the resource. Click Import Download on the right. A tray opens which lists all of the Canvas shells in which you are a teacher. Check the box next to the Canvas shells where you would like to download the content. Click Import into Course. A message will appear that the import has started. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Click on the Courses icon on the left side global navigation bar to display your list of Canvas courses. Select the course where you have downloaded the library tutorial. When the download is complete, you will see the Health Science Topics modules listed in your course. Now you can select which content you would like for your students to see. Items must be published for students to view. To publish the Health Science Topics module and its contents for student view, click on the circle next to the module name so that it turns green. All of the items in the module will automatically be published. Unclick any items you would like to hide from student view. To check visibility, click Settings on the lower left of the course navigation bar. Click Student View toward the top right of the page. Now you can see what the student sees in the Health Science Topics module. To return to editor mode, click Leave Student View on the lower right.